web server information using the Nmap scripting engine. All right, so once again, we're on our Parrot security machine, and we're going to open a mate terminal. Sudo su tour, and this time Nmap tac s capital V tac script equals http tac enum target website, which in this case will be www.goodshopping.com, and press enter. All right, this script enumerates and provides you with the output details, as we'll see here in a moment. All right, and the results are returned after a minute or two. All right, now the next step is to discover the host names that resolve the targeted domain. In the terminal window, type nmap tac script host map tac bfk tac script tac args host map tac bfk dot prefix equals host map tac space www.goodshopping.com. And a little bit weird on that trailing tac under the host map. We'll hit enter. And there's our results. And you can see the reverse DNS record for 10.10.1.19. Now we're going to do an HTTP trace on the targeted domain. In the terminal window, type nmap tac script HTTP tac trace. Caps lock. Tac trace. Tac d www.goodshopping.com. All right, this script will detect a vulnerable server that uses the trace method by sending an HTTP trace request that shows if the method is enabled or not. And it doesn't look like the trace is enabled. All right, now check whether a web application firewall is configured on the target host or domain. Do an nmap tac p 80 script http tac waf tac detect www.goodshopping.com and press enter. All right, this command will scan the host and determine whether a web server is being monitored by an IPS, IDS, or web application firewall. This command will probe the target host with malicious payloads and detect changes in the response code. And you can see that it tagged on script alert document.cookie. All right, this concludes the demonstration of how to enumerate web server information using the Nmap scripting engine. Go ahead and close your terminal windows, and that completes our lab.